Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. It's great to be with you again. Why don't we start out our day by saying good morning to each other in sign language? Here we go. Good morning, boys and girls. And what can you say to your teacher? Good morning, teacher. What a great job. Today is the beginning of our week. Today is Monday. You're very right. Today is Monday. Monday begins with this letter right here. It is an M, and M says for Monday, and we're going to put that on my white strip. Great job. So today is Monday. We're in a brand new month, the month of December, that begins with the letter D, and D says D. And we're going to spell December together in 3, in 2, in 1. D, E, C, E, M, B, E-R spells December, and we're looking for the number that comes after the number 6. I think I heard 7. I think you're very right. How can we find out? We can count. You're right. So there's number 1. That's 4. There's number 1. That's 6. There's number 1. That's 2. Where's number 1? Next 2. You're very right. Let's use our best whisper voices together in 3, in 2, in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What a great job. It is 7. And I'm going to show you 3 cards. Let's see which one says 7. Does this one say 7? No. That number is 8. Do we need it today? No, we will need it tomorrow. So I'm going to put that one back. Is this the number 7? No, it has a circle at the top. That means that's the number 9. Little bit different from 6. Number 6 has the circle at the bottom. Number 9 has the circle at the top. So 6, the day was 6 yesterday. We do not need number 9 yet. We will need that, I believe, on Wednesday. How'd we do? Ding, 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 ding. And that goes next to number 6. So today is Monday, December 7th. And before we stand for the pledge, boys and girls, I have my Santa sheet here. And you remember, you get to color 1 line every day. And the redder Santa's beard gets, the closer to Christmas it becomes. So today's number 7, but guess what? I wasn't here that day. That day is Saturday. I wasn't here that day either. That was Sunday, and we're here today, Monday. So I get to color all the way to 7. Whoa. It looks like a lot of lines. It's 3 more lines. 3 more lines, boys and girls. And do you know what I see? I see that his beard is getting redder and redder. That means we're getting closer and closer to Christmas. It's so very exciting. There we go. Awesome. I love it. I hope you have yours like tacked on your refrigerator or something so that you can see it and do it every day. I love that. So, can we stand for the pledge now? Here we go. My right hand is up in the sky. It comes down over my heart. My left hand is down by my side, and we'll say the pledge together in 3, in 2, in 1. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. What a great job. All right, friends, we're going to sing a song that I think we've only sang a couple of times before. It is called Oh Beautiful. It's one of the songs that we sing to honor the country that we live in, the United States of America. So here we go. Oh Beautiful. And there's some signs that go along with it, and I will show you those so you can follow along, okay? Oh Beautiful. Where are you? There you are. Here we go. Acoustic guitar.
Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountains.
to our letter of the day. And I'm moving the clothespin to give you a little hint of our letter of the day. It's right there. So let's start with the letter A. And A says A. A is the name and the sound is A. A, like apple and Allison. B is for ball and it says B. B is the name and the sound is B, like ball and Ben. C is cat. Great job. C is the name and the sound is like cat and Caden. D says D. D is the name and the sound is D, like dog and daddy. E has two sounds, E, like eat and ear. It also says like elephant. E is the name and the sound is like elephant, Eliana and Eddie, our friends. F, bunny teeth time. F is the name and the sound is like feather and Finley. G, two sounds. G says ch, like our friend Genevieve. And it also says g. And like when we put our hand on our neck, you can feel the sound in your throat. Here we go. G is the name and the sound is g, like garbage truck. H, hot sound. Here we go. H is the name and the sound is like horse. I, two sounds. I says I, its name like ice cream. Also says it, like insect. I is the name and the sound is I like ice cream. J, ch, like jet. Here we go. J is the name and the sound is ch, like jet. Ding, 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 ding. Our letter of the day. K sounds exactly the same as the letter C. What sound does C say? K, k. You're very right. K says k, k, too. You're very right. Here we go. K is the name and the sound is k, 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 like kangaroo. It also says k, k, kite. Can you say that with me? K, k, kite. I wanted you to say that word with me, friends, because we are going to inventive spell our word kite. We're going to write it on our board. Now remember, we talked about the sounds of the letters, but we also know too that sometimes it's just a rule in the English language, and sometimes we're not sure until we know that rule. The English language can be so very tricky, okay? So we're going to learn one rule today with the word kite. All right, so if I say for the very first sound that I hear, the very first letter would be K. You're very right. So I'm going to make a K. I'm hearing it. I like ice cream. And it's saying its name. I. Turtle. You're very right. Turtle and T. T is for turtle. Kite. It's all I hear. But guess what? There is another letter that likes to be very quiet when it's at the end of a word. And this is the letter E. Many, many times you do not hear the sound that E makes when it's at the end of a word, okay? So let's listen one more time. Kite. I hear T, but to spell kite, it's K-I-T-E. So our letter E, he's being very quiet. We call that silent. He's being silent, okay? I think we did a great job. Hickety pickety bumblebee. Can you say the word with me? Kite. Now can you spell the word? K-I-T-E. Now can you shout the word? Kite. The opposite of shout would be to whisper. Kite. Can we clap the beats or the syllables to see how many they are in the word kite? Kite. I clapped one time. There's one beat or one syllable. Can we clap or can we stomp? Kite, kite. And can we cheer it? Kite. Great job. And guess what? Now we get to add it to our word wall. Let's see. Let's see how many words we had on Friday. I see a number right here. It is the number 6. We had 6 words on Friday. Let's see if we can think of some more. Well, you're right. I just wrote kite on the board, and we just learned how to spell kite. So kite definitely is one of our words. K-I-T-E. And how about, I don't know if you can see my foot, but what am I doing? I'm kicking. Kick, to kick. And this is kind of a cool word, because guess what? It starts with the letter K and it ends with the letter K. So there are 2 K's in that word, kick. Good job. And to be so very nice and to be so very friendly to someone is to be kind. Let's try it. Kind. Great job. That also begins with the letter K. Kind. Very nice job. I also have a friend, happens to be Allie's sister, that I got to teach last year, and her name is Kate. And because it's her name, I need to make a capital or an uppercase K. So it looks a lot like the lowercase, it's just a little bit bigger, okay? Starts out at the top to go slanty in and slanty out. K-A, oops, I spelled that wrong. K-A-T-E, spells Kate. What a great job, friends. We thought of some more K words. Now, I need to find out how many we have in all, because we thought of 6 words on Monday, and today, shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're adding, there's our plus sign, we're adding 4 more. I want to know how many there are in all. I want to know what it equals, okay? How many we have in all. So our number sentence is 6 plus 4 equals. So we need to find out this very last number. How do you think we can do that? We could count, you're very right. So we're gonna start up here. We're gonna count them all. We want to see what 6 plus 4 equals. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Oh, what a great job. Take your hand and put it on your shoulder. Say, good job, good job. That was awesome, friends. So this week, at least by the end of the week, you're going to be getting some new K work. I'm going to be giving you a kangaroo sheet and one of our K book sheets, okay? On that sheet, you're going to get to print uppercase and lowercase K's. We'll do the kite, okay? So I can show you how to print an uppercase and lowercase K. Now remember, we have a top line, a bottom line, and a middle marker. That keeps the letters inside of those lines, okay? Uppercase K starts at the top, straight line down, and then I come back to the top, slanty in, slanty out. Let's do one all on our own. Here we go. Where do we start? The top. You're right. Here we go. Straight line down, come back to the top. Slanty in, slanty out. Lowercase K is one of the few lowercase letters that actually starts at the top too. So we're going to start at the top just like we did the uppercase K, straight line down. But to do our slanty in and our slanty out, we're going to start at the middle marker, okay? So we're going to start right at the middle marker and we're going to say the same thing. Slanty in, slanty out. So we're going to do one more. We're going to start at the top, straight line down, and then we're going to come to the middle marker, slanty in, slanty out. What a great job. And when you get this at home, it says kangaroo has a pocket. Remember, it's a marsupial animal, and inside her pocket is a, you want to see what's going to be in Mrs. Miller's kangaroo pocket? I'm going to make my favorite shape in all the land. It's a rhombus. What else does it look like? It looks like a kite. What a great job. And that also begins with the letter K. We're going to talk about a kite in just a sec, okay? Good job, friends. You're going to get that in a packet that you're going to get today, or this week sometime, okay? All right, before we do a little bit of sorting with our kites, I would love to do a little clapping, okay? Maybe make our feet dance a little bit. What do you think? Have you seen my magic feet dancing down the magic street? Sometimes high, sometimes low. Sometimes fast, opposite fast, and sometimes slow. Have you seen my magic feet dancing down the magic street? Have you seen my magic fingers wiggle in the air? Sometimes high, sometimes low. Sometimes fast, and sometimes slow. Have you seen my magic fingers wiggle in the air? Can they wiggle right to your back? What a great job. So we are talking about kites today, boys and girls. I'm going to show you a picture. Well, actually 4 felt kites that Mrs. Miller made. And we talked about what shape they were, right? You can say a diamond. They're a rhombus. You're very right. And if you were to fly a kite, boys and girls, you would need something very special that is outside and it's part of our weather, especially around here. We have a lot of this around here. It is called the wind. The wind helps make the kite go, but it also keeps it up in the air, okay? And I'm going to give you a little example of that using cotton balls and a straw, okay? We're going to pretend that the cotton balls are the kite and that the straw is the wind. And when you blow the wind onto our cotton balls that are a pretend kite, what should they do? They should fly away. They should blow away. All right, you ready? Let's see how we do. Ready, set, go. Did they blow away? They did. They blew away. And that's what a kite would do, friends, on a very, very windy day. And do we have lots of windy days, boys and girls? We sure do. All right, I have 4 felt kites on my board. They're 4 different colors. Let's see. This one is yellow. This one is red. This one is green. And this one is blue. I also have the little strings that go on the bottom of the kite. These help to make the kite stay up in the air. And they're all the same colors as the kites that I have on my board. However, I have to match them up. When I try to match them up, boys and girls, I'm sorting them into groups that are the same. So all my little yellow strings should go on red? No, they should go on, yes, they should go on yellow. So let's see how we do here. So here's a yellow string. And I'm going to put it here. No, here. I'm going to put it right here. Good job. So there's yellow. What color is this one? Green. You're very right. Green will go here, right with green. This color is red. This color is blue. Good job. We are sorting into groups that are the same. How about this color? Green. How about this color? Red. And this color is yellow. And look, I have another yellow one right here. So we'll put that one on our kite. And here's a red one. Or a blue one. Oh my goodness, Miss Miller. Red, blue. You got it. And red. Did we sort them into groups that are the same? We sure did. Now, I'm going to have you put on those imaginary mental caps. I want you to put those on, okay? I want to see which kite has the most little bows or strings on it, okay? Let's count for yellow. 1, 2, 3. Let's count for red. 1, 2, 3. Let's count for green. 1, 2. Let's count for blue. 1, 2. Yellow. Yellow has 3. Red has 3. It's a tie. 3 is a bigger number than 2. So yellow and red have the most little bows or the most little strings. Great job. I have a short story to share with you, boys and girls. It's called The Wind Blew. Now remember I told you that we need the wind for the kite to blow, but look at all the other things that can blow. Oh my goodness. So many things can blow in the wind. And they look like they all are trying to catch them. They might be blowing away from them. Let's find out. The wind blew. The wind blew. What is he trying to hold? An umbrella. This little girl, it's really tricky to see. She has a balloon. Hope she can hold on to that. It took the umbrella from Mr. White and quickly turned it inside out. Sometimes umbrellas can do that. It snatched the balloon from little Priscilla and swept it up to join the umbrella. Oh my, and then look, looks like there's a wedding down here. I wonder what's gonna blow away for them. And not content, it took a hat, and still not satisfied with that, there's the hat. What do you think might be next? I think so too. It whipped the kite into the air and kept it spinning round up there. Oh my. It grabbed his shirt left out to dry and tossed it upward to the sky. Wow, there sure are a lot of things in the sky. It plucked a hanky from a nose and up, and up it rose. Even a handkerchief is up there. Oh my, it lifted the wig from the judge's head and didn't drop it back instead. Oh my goodness. It whirled the postman's letters up as if it hadn't had enough. So this is the mailman, and he had letters in his hand, and look, the wind took them, they're blowing them away. It blew so hard, it quickly stole a striped flag fluttering on a pole. Oh my goodness, and look at their faces. I think they really, really want their things back. It pulled new scarves from the twins and tossed them up with other things. My goodness. Now I see a man right here, and he's holding onto a newspaper. My best prediction is that newspaper's going up in the air because of the strong wind. Was I right? Yeah. It sent the newspapers fluttering around, then tired of the things it found, it mixed them up and threw them down. Look, they're all on top of their heads. Oh my goodness. And blew it away to sea. The wind went out to the sea. And does everyone have their things? Thank goodness, because what would have happened if they would have blown into the sea? They would have gotten very wet and probably ruined. The wind blew. That's a good one. All right, friends. I hope you had a wonderful morning. I sure did. I will see you on Wednesday when we talk about a brand new letter, the letter L. So can we put our hands in the air to sing our goodbye song? Here we go. In 3, in 2, in 1. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Give a smile and a wave. We will see you another day. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Have a great day, and we'll see you on Wednesday.